shove it.
Dude. What the hell? Oh! That is freaking crazy. Tray flip to broken trucks. Hey, that's pretty good though. I can't lie.
You need a tool, right?
Nah, it literally broke. Look it broke straight clean.
Dang.
Well, that's the end of these trucks. Oh shoot! You know, I just noticed. Since my truck's broke, I can't. God damn it! I can't continue the game Escape, or else I continue it with your board.
Sure, you can use mine.
But I can't really do any tricks on your board. Your board, the trucks are whack.
So?
The trucks are whack. They look dirty. Let me try a couple of tricks with this. Well, I still got this board.
But you can't ride it. It's like snowboard.
You watch this trick flip. Oh, backside flip. Man, I can't do nothing else like this.
Please
I'm trying.
Please come to my funeral.
Easiest thing. Fakey Bixby. Ah, I can't even do that. What about Nolly's frontside big spin? Or twist frontside big spin?
You know Chris is a pro skater?
Chris? Damn. God. Silver trucks. Plan B. Time to get a new board.